get my own bike out, wouldn't I? That was Troopers View campsite in... Where are we?
Well, don't know.
We're in the Isle of Wight. Yeah, great little campsite. Very basic with the toilet and the shower I showed you yesterday, but for me, too much of a slope, so yeah, I won't be booking that one again. But for 20 quid, that was well worth it, I think, if you don't mind the hill. It was very peaceful, wasn't it?
Yeah, really nice. Nice view in the morning waking up. You can see the sea over to the left.
Yeah, so if you want a bit of peace and quiet and you don't mind the hill, then it's perfect. Oh, hello.
Apart from the sports cars just revving past.
Yeah. So I've noticed, and I noticed it this morning when I went out for a ride to get breakfast, every little village that we've gone through has got a really amazing looking church. I wonder how many churches are actually on the island itself. Because we,
You'll have to Google that.
I will Google it, because we passed God knows how many yesterday going up to the Needles.
There were quite a few houses that looked like they'd been converted from churches.
Yeah. But the actual churches themselves are lovely. Even that one we saw with the thatch roof. Wish I'd stopped there and had a look. That was incredible, that was. I thought this was the way we came in, but this is obviously different. This is going to drop us back down to the south.
No, it's not, because there's the goat farm.
Oh, okay.
Did we say about the goat farm when we came in?
Yeah, was that the goat farm there, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, so we did come this way. But we're going to turn right in a minute at the end of this road, and that's going to take us down, back down to the south of the island where that fuel garage is. We came in the other way. So we're coming up to a junction in a minute. I think something was just buzzing in my helmet, like a bit of cotton or something. I convinced myself it was a wasp or a bee in there. And it only does it when we're going along, so it's obviously something just vibrating in there. Amazing how much it loses your concentration on riding when you think something's in the crash helmet. Well, you can ride all day on these roads, couldn't you?
Okay. Skip away, where are we going?
We are going straight over. Beacon Alley. Sounds like something from Harry Potter, doesn't it?
Beacon Alley. Sorry, I was concentrating really hard then.
Beacon Alley with a great, big, beautiful view. It's amazing how it goes into like an open road into these tiny little, what we would call at home like country lanes, within like a second. Yeah, they're really interchangeable, the roads, aren't they, the styles? Even in the towns, look, they've got the little thatch roof places. Oh, that's that model village there. I've seen that a few times on the on TV programmes. Quite a famous little model village. Oh, it's definitely busier this side, isn't it?
Steep bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a touristy bit, and this is going down towards Shanklin, I think. So. Yeah, there's a golf garage just here. Pull in there. It's open. Just give bikes a bit of fuel. We definitely used more fuel on these country lanes.
Yeah.
I've noticed that last couple of days. Where you've got no dual carriageways on big roads, it's don't have to drink the fuel. Don't know what it is about having a full tank of juice, but I feel safe with a full tank of juice. I'll get
Heavy?
no, I just feel safe. I can go anywhere. I get all jittery when my tank's looking empty. I'm not like you. I can't run on fumes and be happy.
But not driving my car on 1 mile. It makes you all jittery, doesn't it? You don't like it.
No, I don't like it. I need to know I've got enough fuel in case an apocalypse happens. I can get myself out of trouble. Watch that van there. Been a bit impatient. Well, it's only about 3 miles to the next stop. That's the thing about this island, is wherever you go, you've only got really like 8 miles between any points of interest. So small. I reckon you could
keep a lookout. Sorry, for all those millions of scooters, because apparently they're doing that big ride out today, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Yeah, that'd be quite cool for sort of them all going. As long as we're not behind them, I don't mind seeing them all go the other way.
Stuck in the middle of them.
Oh yeah, that would be funny.
Don't think they'd appreciate me and my help plates in the middle of them.
No, but how cool would that be, like being in the middle of that film Quadrophenia? I'll be a rocker coming the other way.
Now, I definitely came to Shanklin on my school trip, so I wonder if I'll actually remember anything. In fact, no, I don't even remember what I did the day before yesterday, never mind 20 odd years ago. Actually, it'd be more than that. Probably only 10. Oh, God.
So this is Shanklin town. I'm just going to have a ride through, see if we can get down to the beach. Going to have a quick look. Just keep your brakes covered. Oh, no, but it looks really nice. Yeah, we'll have to, might be your pads wearing out. You've done off quite a few miles since you've had it now, so I'll give it a good look over. I think go round to the right. We're not going to be stopping for too long, so.
There's motorbike.
There's not. I haven't seen any. They're probably down in the main car park actually at the bottom. So I don't want to walk too far away from the bikes because we've got all our luggage on. So.
Oh, there's a car park here on the right.
Oh, that'll do. See if there's anything in there. There you go. That was a nice short, sharp stop at Shanklin Beach. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised actually. How about you, Lou?
Really pretty, really pretty.
I had a bit of
Does a cracking 99 as well.
Yeah, that was a really good ice cream. Big steep hill here though. That was yeah, surprising. I had a bit of a preconception about Shanklin. I thought it was going to be a bit of a dive, but I'd love to spend the day there. It's a really, really beautiful beach. It's got a bar at both ends and an ice cream vendor, so don't really need much more, do you? There's obviously the run's coming this way because there's lots of people on the side of the road coming out to watch, so it looks like we're going in the right direction. We do get to see all the bikes.
Hey, look how cool they are.
They're all off on their run around the island now. Is that part of that weekend, isn't it? They do, you're saying?
Yeah.
They do a big tour around the island. Get everyone that...
God, look at all the people.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Must be a really big event. But from what I gathered, it's something that happens every year, so I bet all these locals are used to it. And
right. Like a bit like the May Day run, when we used to take the boys out onto the main road. You kind of know when it is, don't you? If you're local. And...
Oh, look at this tit.
Oh, look at this one.
Amazing.
James would love this. They're all just out on little scooters as well.
Yeah. I wonder what this festival's called. It just makes me want to listen to the Who. We're going to go straight on.
These two things, I think we're going the wrong way.
Yeah. Yeah, I think there's. I keep seeing Vespas like mine. Can we join in?
Took a wrong turning.
He's like, no, John, we're only going to Sainsbury's. He's having a go at him now. So you said we bought a unique bike on the island. Oh wow! Did you see them all down there?
Look at them all down there. yeah.
Wow, yeah. Oh, and they're playing the Who in the pub. You just can't get any more iconic if you tried.
Whose idea was it to come down here, Paul? God!
Look at them all. It's a good test of nerves for you riding here.
It really is. Like,
Yeah.
you know how I lose my shit when there's loads of bikers around? I'm alright. Slow riding with loads of bikers and thousands of people watching, and I haven't lost my shit yet. That's got to be progress. Oh my god, they go for miles!
Yeah, look at them.
I think we've like come into the like official start.
Didn't even know this amount of Vespas existed. So cool.
That is really cool. And they're all so different, aren't they?
Yeah.
Got a massive grin on my face. This is really cool.
Look at them all. Oh, I think we're at the end of that. How exciting was that?
That was really exciting. I loved that. I was getting well into that. I was beeping at them. I was waving at them.
Oh, how can you not smile when something...
That was really cool. And actually last night I was thinking, oh god, I hope we don't get stuck in that, because that would make me a bit nervous, but that was really cool. I loved that.
Yeah. We timed that just perfect, didn't we, really?
Yeah, we did.
Coming like the other way so we can enjoy it.
All right, concentrate on riding, Louise.
Is that you beeping behind me?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed Sandown. It was a very nice place to visit.
Louise is buzzing.
How much fun was that, seeing all those Vespas in their rally? Absolutely amazing, I love that. Now we just, we had to skip Sandown town there because it was absolutely busy, but I'm just going to take a ride now along the coast road and make our way back up to Ryde. Maybe stop for a bit of lunch and then we'll jump on the ferry back to Portsmouth. But I did say back in the last video that I thought the island was going to be split into two halves. And I thought one side would be absolutely picturesque and the other side just all built up and a little bit sort of Margate-ish, but do you know what, it's not. We went to Shanklin there and I thought that was a beautiful little place. Really looked great, especially if you've got families. We didn't do any filming on the beach because, well, there's just kids everywhere and we don't want to do that. And then we just came up the coast road there and saw all them bikes. It was just amazing. I absolutely love seeing things like that. But anyway, I thought the island was split into two halves, and it's kind of not really. It is a bit built up this side, and the traffic is a little bit busier, but it's just as beautiful. And these roads, we're stuck behind a cyclist at the minute, but these roads are just as lovely. So it really wants me to come back and just ride the whole lap of the island. You could do it in a few hours and just enjoy all these really lovely winding B roads and A roads, because I think it's great. I love the Isle of Wight now. Definitely coming back. Oh, look at that house, like a pub, floating pub there.
Floating cafe and shop.
Oh, was that what it was? Yeah, I like a harbour. Yeah, it's pretty here, isn't it? This is St Helens we're in at the minute. St Helens, sorry. Alright, so that's at the ferry. Front of the blue building, there's a sign.
I am, yeah, just follow him. Lovely.
No, he just said go down in front of the blue building, there's a sign. I'm assuming he means here.
Yeah, just down there, mate.
Did he tell you a number?
Down where, sorry?
Under the sign. Just under the sign. You park under this sign here.
Oh, okay. Lovely, thank you. No, just come down behind me. Just got to park under the sign. Just when you put your bike on stand, just leave it in gear because we're pointing down here. Just turn it off but leave it in first gear, then put the bike on stand. Yeah? Well, I've loved it, and I'm glad we've ticked our first little tour off to almost like a test run for you, really, like on your bike and stuff. So I really enjoyed that, and I'd like to go back. But we're going to take a slow ride home now, enjoy the rest of the sunshine, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe our video if you want to see any more coming up, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.